Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see the project title. The title of the project is TACA, Taxonomy Aware Catalog Integration. Let us see the abstract of the project. The increasing number of web portals provide a user experience centered around the online shopping. This includes e-commerce sites such as Amazon and shopping.com and commerce search engines such as Google Product and Bing Shopping. A fundamental data integration task faced by these commercial portals is the integration of the product catalog. An important step in this process is product categorization. All the portals maintain a comprehensive master taxonomy for organizing their products, which is used both for browsing and searching purposes. As new products arrive from the different providers, they need to be assigned to the appropriate category in the master taxonomy in order to be accessible to users. As the new web scale, it is impractical to assume the data providers will manually assign all the products from their catalog to appropriate category in the master taxonomy. Thus, we need automated techniques for categorizing products coming from the data providers into master taxonomy. An important observation in this scenario is that the providers do have their taxonomy and their products are already associated with the provider taxonomy category. The provider taxonomy may differ from the master taxonomy, but in most cases there is still a powerful signal coming from the provider classification. The commercial portal has its own taxonomy that is called the master taxonomy, while each data provider organizes its product lists into a different taxonomy that is called the provider taxonomy. The proposed system considers the problem of categorizing the products from the data providers into master taxonomy while making the use of the provider taxonomy information. The system approaches on a taxonomy aware processing step that adjusts the results of a text-based classifier to ensure the products that are close together in the provider taxonomy remain close in the master taxonomy. The products in the provider taxonomy is integrated with the master taxonomy according to the probability of the product in both the taxonomies, that is master and product taxonomies. The product may contain the cost of the categorization. The categorization cost will be the helpful thing in the categorization of the product from provider taxonomy to the master taxonomy. The master taxonomy contains only the products and the categories, and it will not contain the product subcategories. So the proposed system uses the TACA, that is the taxonomy aware catalog integration algorithm. TACA algorithm here used for the integration of the products from the product category provider taxonomy to master taxonomy. Let us see the flow of the project. At first, we should choose the dataset from the folder. Here, the loading dataset represents the extraction of the dataset. The extraction process includes the process of inserting the raw data to the backend, that is the SQL server. The dataset is then preprocessed. Here, the preprocess removes the unwanted data from the dataset. Then the process checks whether the data is categorized or not. If it is categorized, then it goes to the next step. Otherwise, it is needed to be classified. Here in the classification step, the provider products are categorized and then the probability distribution of each product is found. Then the product cost also calculated. The probability distribution and the cost will be used for the product categorization in the master taxonomy. Then the master taxonomy dataset is inserted and then the products in the master taxonomy is classified according to the category. Then the TACA algorithm is used. Here when we select a product which we want to integrate with the master taxonomy from the provider catalog is selected, then the product is categorized according to the master taxonomy categorization. Likewise, all the products are integrated with the master taxonomy. Let us see the demo of the project. At first, we have choose data from the folder. So the data set here we have choose is provider catalog. We first choose the product catalog. Open. So this is the data set from the provider catalog. So when we press the next button, it will redirect to the next form. So when we press the load data set, here the data set is loaded from the previous form to here. So here the path of the data set is chosen. Then when we click next, we have choose the extract data set. Here the data set is extracted from the source raw data set from the backend, that is SQL server. So here extracted successfully. Then when we click the view data, here the data set is view. So we have so many columns, and here the RID, these are the provider catalog taxonomy. So when we press next, it will show the data set which is loaded from the database. So here all the data are shown. Next, when we click the pre-process, here the unwanted data are removed. So here the column reduction is done. So when we don't need the extra columns, we should pre-process them. So here the pre-process step is applied. So when we click the next button, it will lead us to the next page. Here just click the get product list. Here the product list are shown. So here the provider catalog contains these type of products. So when we click the product and get subcategory, it will show the product subcategory and the products category. So here we have chosen the computer room manager 14-inch. So it is under the product category furniture, and the product subcategory office and furniture. So when we click the next button, here we should click the get products. Next, it will show the product list, and when we click the calculate products, when we click the calculate probabilities, it will calculate the probability of the all products in the provider catalog. So here probability in the sense it is calculated by the frequency of the product, that is the occurrence of the product in the provider catalog. So when the probability is calculated, we can get the success message. Then when we click the get probability, it will show the probability of the each products. So when we click the next button, it will redirect to the next page. Here we should load the data set with the corresponding probability. So each product contain its probability, and then next we should calculate the cost. So when we click the cost, it will calculate the cost from the probability value. So when we click the view the cost, it will show the cost for the each product. So here the cost is calculated based on the probability, and each product has the probability and the cost function. So when we click the next button, it will redirect to the next page. So here we should load the master data set. So master catalog is chosen, and when we click the extract data set, it will extract to the database. So here data set which is in the master catalog is shown. Then when we click the view data, it will show the products in the master taxonomy. When we click the next button, it will redirect to the next page. So when we click the get product catalog, then when we click the show items, it will show the catalog categories, and when we click the office supplies or catalogs, it will show the items under the category. So when we click the next button, it will show the probability and cost functions of the master catalog. So when we click the load data, it will load the data, and then when we click the probability calculation, it will calculate the total probability of the products in the master taxonomy. So when the process is completed, we can get the success message. When we click the show items, it will show the items in the master catalog, and then the categories of the master taxonomy. Here the master taxonomy contains the three categories, and each product contains the office supplies and furniture technology categorization. So when we click the next button, when we click the get products, it will show the products in the provider taxonomy. So when we click the cost, but it will show the cost of the product, and then when we click the target classification, it will classify how it is integrated in the master taxonomy. So the possibility of the product emission primaries is it can be placed on the office supplies, furniture or technology according to these probabilities. So here which category contain high probability, we can place the product under that category from the provider catalog to master catalog. Likewise, all the products can be placed in the master taxonomy. So next we show the graph. So here in the x-axis the corresponding products are shown, and the y-axis the time for the pre-processing is shown. Here time for the pre-processing for the products in the provider catalog is shown. Thank you.